Right, YouTubers. Today I got a problem with my furnace. My gas furnace is keep shutting off. Um, I'm supposed to be having on 74 temperature, and now it's 68. So the problem is like it runs for a few minutes and then shuts off. Okay. I'm gonna show you what's the problem and how do I resolve or how do I fix it. The problem with this, I just replaced the unit, the furnace, the gas furnace a few months ago, probably in the summer. It wasn't a few months ago in the summer, and now it's getting cold. And then I just got a remodelation done here in my house, part of it, not all of them. Okay, anyway, so it was a lot of dust everywhere, so I decided to just, it's a Linux unit furnace and Linux furnace. And the problem was, I just started turn it on, and I just start hitting for a few minutes and shut it off. So the first thing that come out to my mind is just, check the air filter. Okay. The air filter is right here on the bottom. And then what am I gonna do? I'm just gonna replace the air filter and check it out. But what I noticed, it wasn't that bad, but it was like very dusty. A lot of dust from the work that the guys done perform at my house, like remodeling the one of the walls, the sheetrock. They painted it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you the problem, how it turns on and shut it off in a few seconds, and then I'm gonna also change the air filter. And first of all, of course, you gotta disconnect the unit, the furnace, your furnace. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna just go get my air filter. Here are my birds. I'll put them inside because it's very cold outside. Sorry for the mess that I have in the laundry room. I just been doing a lot of work lately here in my house. Then I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna turn it, take the tops off, both of them. There you go. There's the top. Now the bottom part. Then it's just small, two more screws on each part, the top and the bottom side. Like I said, when I noticed it was a lot of dust here, this is what it does. Okay, it's turning on right now. As you can see, the igniter is on. Then it's gonna start letting go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 seconds, and then it stops. That's the problem that it's been doing. Okay, that's the first symptom. It's been doing the whole time. Then I'm gonna show you what it does. I'm gonna try to do it again, to turn on again. That's the igniter, the light right there. And then this is what it does. So I'm gonna try to do it again. It keeps trying for 3-4 times, I think. See, now it's not turning on at all. The flames not come on. And then what I'm getting is the flash code, which flashes 8 times. I was looking out for the error, the code, but it didn't come out, the problem at all. So I'm gonna show you what I did, and what you can do is very basic, and then just it's just very basic step, okay?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Alright, so
1,
the furnace keeps turning off and on or short cycling like this because one of these problems, okay? It could be the heat exchanger is overheating due to low airflow.
Ya me dio el código ahora sí.
Ya.
Mira, con el flashazo te voy a ver nomás qué es lo que es el código.
I'm gonna just go ahead and turn it off. And so okay, so typically a furnace keeps turning off and on or short cycling like this because one of these problems. The first one is heat exchanger is overheating due to low airflow. It could be a second the dirty flame sensor rod, or the third one it could be a oversized furnace. In my case, it's gonna be the dirty flame sensor rod, okay? But I'm gonna start cleaning all the dust with just a towel or a rag because it's very dust in this unit due to the remodelation that we've been done the last few weeks. So I wanna clean it the whole unit as much as possible, and then I'm gonna clean. I'm gonna take out the dirty flame sensor rod or the flame sensor. I'm gonna show you where is that located at. I'm gonna show you how to take it off. It's just one small screw, and then we are gonna blow all the dust around here. We're gonna replace the filter, the air filter again, and make sure everything is nice and clean. Okay, just put a little bit water on your towel, on your rug, and start cleaning all the dust off. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do real quick. Okay, after the cleaning, you take the flame sensor out, clean all the areas that as much as possible, and then I'm gonna use this little sand a little bit, just really nothing, and make sure everything is disconnected. I mean, from the power supply. You don't wanna get short. And then that's it. I'm just gonna clean a little bit. That's it. You don't have to do much a lot of more stuff. But if you can do these two steps, just change the air filter first of all, and then clean the flame sensor. That's all you can do. Okay, if this doesn't work, call the technician now, because it's gonna be something else. Okay, don't play with anything else. This is just a video for entertainment purposes, okay? So don't do anything I say. So I'm gonna blow all the dust around here. There you go. Nice and clean with my blower. And like I said, just do these two steps. Pretty simple, something that you can do pretty easy. Change the air filter and clean the flame sensor. If it doesn't work, just call the technician, okay? Because this is very basic. Okay, there you go. I'm gonna put it back on, and I think it's less than 8 but like 6.5. I don't know what's the size of the screw, to be honest. I just use the bead without the other bead. Okay, just put it in the correct way. It's right here. Don't even try or play with the gas valve. Okay, don't touch anything. It's very dangerous. And it may cause something very bad. So don't do it. Okay, let me get the screw. Put it back on. Remember, there's no electricity in this unit just yet because I disconnect them. Okay, from the power supply. So there's no power at all here. There you go. And that's it. Put all the parts back on and you're gonna be good to go, okay? If it works, you're a winner. If not, sorry, you gotta pay extra. If not, you just send me some extra for my tacos. Okay, just make sure everything looks nice and clean. That's it. Yeah, now I'm gonna start. I'm gonna turn it on and see what happens. Okay. And then if you have any questions or something, just let me know. If I know the answer, I will respond to you. If not, it's because I don't know the answer. Right? Let me check the. All right, let me put the camera right here, and then I'm gonna turn it on. Plug it in first to the power supply. There you go. I'm gonna put something to hold the switch on, because I'm not gonna put the covers just yet. I'm not gonna do the covers back just yet because I want to make sure that it works. Okay, I just put a little tape, regular tape here, clear tape, and the switch to keep it. So now it's on. It's gonna start working now. First of all, the top fan is turn on, and then the igniter is next. Now you see the igniter is turning on. Now the flame should become on next. There you go. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That means now it's working, guys. Yay! Yay! See? That was it, guys. So that happens last year. I mean, this January 2021. I'm just making the video, because the cold is coming back on again. Because we're on October now. But this is the way my gas furnace is working just perfectly. Okay. So the problem, it was the dirty flame sensor rod. Okay. What you gotta do is just clean it with a towel rag and you'll be good to go. Sand a little bit if you want to. If not, just try. You call the technician. Sometimes they need it to be easy. So you just try it. If you wanna do like me. So that's it. I just replace the air filter and clean the whole furnace. Okay. I'm gonna let you run for a few. Because it's 68 degrees right now, and then that's it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, just put it on the box below, and we'll see you on the next episode of Why Does My Furnace Keep Shutting Off? It was because you have a dirty flame sensor rod. Alright? Does this sound familiar? Your furnace turns on, runs for a few minutes, and then shuts off. Soon after, it turns back on and the process repeats. What's the problem? Alright. So that was, in my case, it was I'm watching the dirty flame sensor rod. Okay. If the furnace tries to turn on multiple times before stopping for a while, the problem is probably a soot-covered flame sensor rod. Alright, so what is the flame sensor rod and why does it being covered in soot cause short cycling? Well, just read it on Google and you will find out. See you next time.